Okay, everyone, here I am at Mussolini's statue in the middle of Chicago. Not the nicest statue, but this was sent to the United States by Benito Mussolini. It was actually his general, I want to say Italo Balboa. Am I in Pennsylvania? Is it Balboa, Rocky Balboa? No, it was a fascist general that sent this statue to the United States of America in Chicago, where Mussolini was quite popular. The question is, number one, should we take it down? Meaning matters. If this is a fascist statue sent by Mussolini, is it offensive? Or is it just a piece of memorabilia that we essentially keep? Meaning matters in international politics. So it's just like the Confederate flag and the Confederate statues. Two, do we really care about democracy? The idea is the United States of America needs to do sanctions, invade, etc., just as well as other states, in the name of human rights and democracy. But is that just a pretext for other things? Like we just don't like a government, so we highlight their human rights abuses when we ourselves support brutal dictators. We had good relations with Mussolini. He was the anti-communist. I'll also show you a photo of Eisenhower hugging the fascist dictator of Spain, Francisco Franco. So the question is, do we really care about democracy? Or just alliances? And this is very important now with the new quote-unquote Cold War between us and Russia and everything that's going on. So alliances are more important than human rights and democracy, and that will support fascist governments, like many governments around the world that are not democratic and have egregious human rights abuses just because they're allies. And we use human rights and democracy as a pretext for things like invasion. And the other thing, like I said, something that's very important to highlight, meaning matters. Should we take down this statue because it's an affront to democracy and dignity? I mean, he was a fascist dictator, Mussolini. Or do we keep it as memorabilia? And this is it. So this is Chicago. Beautiful area. No fascism here. Just people riding their bikes. Nice little view of Lake Michigan. And this is from Mussolini. Take care, everyone.